Kate and Bergen, and we are from wildtailsup.com, where I blog about family travel and outdoor adventure with kids. So we want to show you our latest Think Outside box. You might be able to guess what this theme is. What do you think? What do you think the theme is? Bergen will tell you the joke.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Don't tell him.
Are you a string? I'm afraid not.
Are you a string? I'm afraid not. Get it? All right, let's see what's in. As always, we will show you the contents of our Think Outside box. Then we will go over the activity guide, and then actually on our way to school, we are going to be doing a special challenge. So stay tuned for that. Okay, ready?
Water bottle!
A water bottle. It is an official Think Outside water bottle. It's pretty awesome because it has this carabiner, so you can attach it to things like maybe your backpack. It is leak proof.
Mom, look how much
And a cool green color. Bergen was just testing out what? What was that you were testing out, Bergen?
How the pencil gets the color.
So that is our Think Outside box's pencil. And the only way we found that it does change color, and we're kind of cold out here. I don't know if you can. All right, what do we have next, Bergen? Utility cord. Some more paracord with a handy carabiner on it. And why do you think we need all this paracord? What are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna make projects with knot cards.
Oh, we're gonna use the knot cards. Awesome. So all of these have different types of knots that kids and adults can practice and learn. There's figure 8 loop, double fisherman, all different types of knots, which I'm super excited about because I don't know how to make very many knots, and I think this would be super handy in the outdoors. All right, next up, some dual carabiners. These are great because they have 2 attachments, so you can attach them to things and then put things on them. So like say you could put your keys on and then attach it to your bag.
Or keychains on your backpack.
There you go. All right, next.
This is the really hard thing.
It's very hard to get out. Oh, it's a luggage tag. Very cool. Or a backpack tag. Just a special Think Outside boxes tag where you can have your name, address, phone number, information, in case something gets lost from yours. And it does have a little attachment. We just left that inside, and that kind of ties in to the knots because that is a different type of knot, which is cool. All right, and then we have our activity guide. The National Park Spotlight is Big Bend National Park, which I'm very excited about because I have been wanting to visit. Just lately I've been learning more about Big Bend National Park, and it's a fascinating place. Inside the activity guide tells you all about the contents, more information about what to do in an emergency, basics of knots, so more information, more tutorials on those knots. It's always great to have different types of explanations. So you have the explanations in the activity guide, and then the explanations in the Live and Learn cards. Okay, keeping wildlife wild, so information about making sure that your food is kept away from wildlife to keep them safe and healthy.
This is
so, and then tying in, yep.
This is giving, that's not good.
Exactly, feeding wildlife is not good. And information on how to make a bear bag that ties in the knot skills that you'll need.
Well, they still look happy.
Well, of course they're happy.
They
got food. Pulley systems, so that other ways that you can utilize those knot skills. And
it could be like
also
food.
A way to use that carabiner with your water bottle and your rope to create a do-it-yourself carabiner pulley system. And then even knots that you see in nature, which is a little clue into what our scavenger hunt will be about right after this. Even how to make a firewood carrier, a game called Not So Fast. And the empathy section this time is on anxiety, which is neat because I'm thinking like knots in your stomach when you have anxiety, and when you have anxiety, possibly getting outdoors could be a way of helping you out. So again, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe if you like what you see, and make sure that you head to thinkoutsideboxes.com for more information. We also have the coupon code down below for your very first box, so make sure you use that. And Bergen, tell them what the challenge is.
Winter spy walk.
It's a winter spy walk. We are going to take our magnifying glass and our binoculars, and we are going to also have our backpack with supplies, and we are going to look for rope-like things to which you can attach a carabiner, and trees for hanging a bear bag. Cool. Okay, stay tuned. Hey, so we're back, and we are actually on our way to school, but we have left some extra time, and we are looking for knots in nature. Did you find any, Bergen? What do you have here?
Yeah.
Look at all this twisted around.
Yeah.
On the trellis.
Yeah.
This is actually a kiwi tree from our neighbors.
This isn't
And
our
we
neighbors.
have a kiwi tree as well, so we know all about the crazy knots that kiwi trees make. Not a bad view,
Oh, yeah.
but where are the knots?
Nowhere.
Oh, well, what are you doing there?
Making a knot out of my sweater.
Oh, you're making a knot. I bet you could learn a fancy knot from that Live and Learn. You found some knots? Oh, does it look like there's knots on this stick?
Yeah, and this.
Let's get a closer view.
Yeah.
Say that.
Into here to get.